Airport pickup.
接飞机。
Hey, glad you made it. How was the trip over here?
It was long, but the flight itself went without a hitch.
Do you want to sit down for a bit or maybe grab some water?
Water sounds good. I'm a little dehydrated from the flight.
Did your bags come out on time? Or was there any delay?
Yes, they arrived quickly, and I already picked them up.
Want me to carry that suitcase for you? It looks heavy.
That would help a lot. Thank you for offering.
Do you need to exchange currency or pick up a local SIM card?
Not at the airport. I'll handle that later in the city.
So, are we heading straight to your hotel now?
Yes, I'd rather check in before doing anything else.
What do you prefer? A cab, the subway, or maybe the shuttle?
A cab sounds best since I've got these bags with me.
Are you feeling the jet lag yet, or still holding up?
I feel a little off, but I think I'll adjust pretty soon.
Would you like to grab a bite before heading to the hotel?
Sure, something light would be nice.
Any cravings, or should I surprise you with something local?
Surprise me. I'd love to try local food.
How about we stroll a little after dinner to stretch your legs?
That sounds refreshing. I'd like that.
Do you already have plans for tomorrow's sightseeing?
Not really. I thought you could show me around.
I'll draft a simple itinerary so we can cover the highlights.
Perfect. I'll trust your plan completely.
Do you need Wi-Fi right away, or wait until the hotel?
I'll wait. Hotel Wi-Fi should be fine.
Would you like to take it easy tonight or explore a bit first?
I think rest first, then maybe explore later.
It feels so good to finally see you here.
I feel the same. It's been way too long.
Meeting at the airport makes it extra special, doesn't it?
Definitely, it makes me feel welcomed right away.
Want to take a quick photo together before we leave?
Yes, let's capture the moment.
Should I order a taxi now so we don't wait too long?
Yes, please, that would be perfect.
I'm so glad this trip finally worked out for us.
Me too. Let's make every moment count.
Thank you. See you in the next video.